Welcome to my channel. Hello. Wow, that was nice. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, of course you're new here. This is my first video. I'm Marlena, and today we're getting into some, I don't know what to call them. Some exciting body cam footage. A crackhead fiend? Wait, what?
I'll stick you. You don't think I'll do it?
Multiple gerbils in his pants.
This is definitely gonna be one of my lazier videos. It's my first video, first time like editing a video, so I'm gonna just going into it easy. The things I start posting are gonna be better and better. What's the word? Transformative. I have a lot more transformative insight to give in the future, but it was like 2 a.m. when I recorded this, and I was tired. So, all right, grab a snack, sit back, and let's see what's going on. We're in New Jersey. That is pretty close to home. Well, you know, far enough away. What happens in New Jersey?
In Hoboken, New Jersey, where one woman is frightening the public a little early.
Early? It's 7 p.m.
Yeah.
October 27th at 7 p.m.
Come here.
All right, you can't touch me.
I'm out with her. Take your hand out of your pocket.
Sorry.
Take your hand out of your pocket.
Sorry.
You can't touch me. You don't have no. What are you trying to touch
Friday
me for?
night activities.
Come here.
Police identify the woman seen here as 28-year-old Amanda Hernandez, who was allegedly threatening people with a knife. Another officer arrives just as this situation escalates.
Ma'am.
At a McDonald's at 7 p.m.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop resisting. Get her legs. Get her legs. Easy, easy, easy. Legs. Flip it over. Flip her over. Easy, easy, easy. Stop fighting.
Easy.
Stop fighting.
There's a lady standing in the background over there.
Get the hand.
She's just standing there.
Cuffs.
She's like, I wanted to walk that way.
I got the arm. I got the arm.
Let's rejoin that first officer as he takes a, let's just say, interesting approach to handle the situation.
Stop. I just want to let you know I'm pressing charges. You son of a. Give me again. Give me the knife. I would have stabbed you.
Where's the knife? Where's the
It
knife?
fell out.
Who's got cuffs?
Go ahead, drop him. Because you're getting charges pressed.
Is that a
What's his name?
threat? Is that a
All right,
threat?
give me your real name. Yeah, you don't need to put it because he's putting it.
Double it. Double it.
Double it then.
Get it on. Get it on. Take your
I'll
time.
stab you in your
Okay.
neck.
Roll over.
I don't hope you take me to prison.
All right.
After hurling some threats, Amanda
Oh.
appears to spit at the
Oh, yeah, I
officer,
saw that.
who promptly leaves the scene.
She gave
Back
him the,
with our riled-up
the-
suspect, things aren't
I'm not saying it.
exactly.
Just don't spit on anybody, please.
Well, he should have never hit me.
That's fine.
You spit on me, I'm going to spit on you.
Settle it inside, okay?
I'm not a
Okay,
crackhead fiend.
listen.
Pick up my items,
Okay,
please.
we will. We will.
Said you
Right
were.
there, my charger piece right there.
We're gonna
My
stand you
crackers.
up. Listen to me. Can you listen? We're gonna get your stuff. Can you please talk to us?
My charger's right there, miss.
We'll get it.
Right there.
What's your first
Yeah.
name? Tell us your
I don't know. John Doe.
All right, we're gonna stand you up, okay? Ready?
Nope, I don't have to give them because they officer
Okay,
touched me
stand up,
without
stand up.
permission.
Stand up. Oh,
So they're packed.
careful.
They're
Be careful.
messing up.
Rose, do a search over there, okay?
McDonald's. Oh, we get to talk to. Okay, wait. Let's go talk to the employees and see what their experience was. It was a Starbucks.
Hoboken Police, how's everything?
Hoboken.
There was a, yeah, our body cameras are on. There was a female that came in here. There was a little bit of an altercation down the street. We just want to make sure nothing happened inside here, and that you guys are okay in here, and there's no complaints of anything in here.
Yes. Immediately.
She had,
She seemed
Yeah.
kind of aggressive when she
okay, but no issues inside the establishment.
I just told her something. She was like, I'm not arguing with you. So I didn't really talk back to her. So there wasn't an argument.
Okay,
But she was being rude too.
okay.
She was mad that like we charged for like coconut milk, which we've always had, and she's like, you guys never did that before, and I'm like, we always do.
That's all.
Yeah, it was all of
Okay.
But she instantly she seemed kind of crazy. Like,
I got it.
Pulled a knife out about coconut milk.
Thank you for your help. Have a great night.
This pulled a knife out over the $1.24 or whatever the hell it is over coconut milk. a dollar something. A knife. All of this All of this was over coconut milk.
Back with our suspect, officers worked to get the 28-year-old on her way to jail.
Where's that?
Over some coconut milk.
No,
All right. Did we do a search?
I gotta go.
Alright.
Enough.
Okay. You're confident there's no other weapons?
I don't want you. You just said final check. Don't drop it. I'm not.
189.
She sticks
Stop
out.
kicking.
Stop kicking.
Stop pulling my arm. And you're hurting my wrist.
Stop kicking.
We confident? We good?
Pulling my arm. I'll punch you in. I'll punch you in your.
Relax.
These officers got me up.
Amanda was booked for aggravated assault, throwing bodily fluids at a law enforcement officer, unlawful possession of a weapon, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and terroristic threats.
Next! A Christmas party turns violent. Drunk a woman assaults staff and resists arrest. I thought this one would be kind of juicy. Like, imagine you're out with your family on Christmas at a restaurant, and you know, like mom, auntie, she just she had a few too many. She had like 3 too many. That's what I'm imagining is about to happen.
On December 17, 2023, officers in Florida responded to a disturbance at a local Wingstop. A woman identified as
A Florida woman at a Wingstop on Christmas.
35-year-old Monique McNeely had become increasingly disorderly while attending a Christmas party at the restaurant. When officers arrived, they found Monique shouting outside the restaurant, refusing to leave the premises. Here's what the officers did next.
Where's her pants?
Right here. Put hands on people.
Hey,
You're going to jail.
Hey, come here.
Where's your pants?
What's up?
Come here.
What's up?
Where's that girl's
Come here.
pants?
Cause I'm
Where's her
black.
pants go?
Cause I'm black. Cause I'm black. Cause I'm black.
Is that a shirt or a poncho? I like it. That color yellow is one of my favorites.
And then we and we had the whole tab open. The whole tab was open. I'm black. It is what it is. Search me.
I'll take this. You already got
Search me.
You already got
Search me.
I'll take this.
I got 5 kids.
Relax.
Oh.
We'll figure it out.
I came in.
Hey. You good? Huh?
I came in for a whole Christmas party with my job.
Okay.
And I came up with a Christmas party with my job.
Okay.
Oh, she's not even with her family. She's with work.
I ain't got nothing on me.
That's
Can you go for a second?
No,
Don't do that.
That's like worse to me, because all your coworkers, like maybe your boss is there. What happened?
Go for a second.
Assault staff.
Okay. All
What
right.
happened?
Let's just figure out what's going on, okay? Would that be okay?
Monique.
Listen, I signed a whole.
That's not your name.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys
Okay, all right, listen.
Damn,
Her
goddamn.
coat's pretty nice though. I like that.
I'm not worried about your son, okay?
Some like
No, I'm worried about
Dark-
my son because my
dark
my
academia
son
vibes
is a
going on with that coat,
goddamn.
that jacket,
Hey.
whatever.
You have English? No, we don't know anything. We didn't see nothing. You can ask the faculty everything that you know.
No. Start speaking in English. This guy over here on the left is like giggling. He's like, oh, my man shouldn't have spoke.
I apologize, but we're not here to talk.
Okay.
Let me see your identification.
You don't need to see his identification. These aren't the droids you're looking for.
To be determined. Were they
Be
involved?
determined.
The bigger dude was, yeah.
Okay.
Pantsless lady.
What's going on?
So they had a party back here. So it was a whole group of people. You know what I mean? They had a big party back here.
Okay.
The shorter one
worked
there, and the black girl came up to the bar and asked for shots, and she was being so disrespectful. She was like, "What the fuck? You just give me this nasty." And I'm like, "Okay." Then he asked for more shots, and I was like, "You know, like you guys seem like you're had enough. You know what I mean?" So,
Yo! Get away from there now! I'm over here. I apologize. I'll stand over here with my stuff if you don't mind. Yes, absolutely. Come on.
They got matching
I'm gonna need
shirts
your
on
ID.
too. You can't even
ID
say
card.
I'm not with him.
Was this guy involved?
yes.
Both of them? Both of your IDs.
He's still smiling too. He's still smiling over there. He knows something.
Okay, hey. What's your name?
Up here with a Christmas
Okay.
party.
Okay, you gotta understand. Hey. If you don't give me your name, I'm just gonna charge you with resisting.
I'm not resisting at all.
So give me your name.
I'm not resisting at all.
Okay, so what is your name?
My fucking son is a hole.
That's not your name.
I'm gonna give you one more opportunity to give me your name.
Listen, just provide your name so we can figure out what's going on.
Wrist it.
not.
Wrist it.
Put your foot in.
Listen, I'm not.
I'm not resisting!
Alright, let's stop, boy.
This looks like peaceful surrender to me.
Who's with him? Who's with him?
They're sitting.
Huh?
You're sitting.
Okay. I don't care where you work. I want to see an
They're
ID.
so drunk they don't even know
what
what happened.
Monique,
They probably don't even
let's not
remember
with all
what
that shit.
happened.
They're gonna even be fucking worse. They're fucking dicks. Because she was kicking our car door.
Dude, like, that's just bullshit.
Okay. I know she is. Okay? She's getting what she's dictating what's happening right now. We're not. Okay? We're just responding to her action.
Is that some Animal Crossing ringtone?
Like, they got respect for you guys.
Okay, good.
And then the same way, like, you got respect for us.
I'm doing my job right now.
I know.
They
It's
called
definitely
because you
Animal
guys
Crossing,
created a
but-
disturbance. So my job is to investigate that disturbance.
Bet.
I know.
So you're going to give me your IDs. If you refuse to identify yourselves, you're going to go to jail. That's how it's going to work.
It's probably not Animal Crossing,
Okay.
but it really does.
My son is a y'all trying to kill me.
No, Florida.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't resist. I never resist.
This one,
For your safety, is there a gerbil inside you?
I saved the best for last. Man stuffs Petland hamsters down pants after bizarre attempted robbery. And the Long Crime Network just posted this today, so I almost didn't want to watch this one because I was like, I don't want to see any hamsters get hurt, but here we go.
There's blood there.
Oh, sorry, bud. I did not see you there.
Yeah, there's a lot of blood there. Blood's clear.
Is that a hamster right there?
Definitely can't.
Come here.
Oh, come on! No, the puppies!
Come here, buddy.
Mass marketing animals cannot, like, cannot be sustainable.
Boom. Nice.
Hopefully, everything's good. Ding. Yeah, why don't you just scare the absolute living shit out of... Oh my god!
Two of them.
That one doesn't have any... They don't have any little friends with them! They're puppies!
Sorry. No, you're good.
I know they find him. What the hell's that guy doing with his gun? You see what he's holding?
Let's get this one.
Yeah, there's two of them that are busted. How do they even get back here though? Because there's no.
I don't think you went back.
Bust it up and they come out here.
Yeah.
They just cut
But I mean, like, I don't even see any keys.
Yeah. Maybe it's like.
Crawl through. He's having a little giggle. He's like in one of those situations that are so ridiculous, you just have to laugh. Like, who does that type of shit?
I've never catched a bird. Yeah, I'm not a bird guy. I have no idea
I'm
what
not
to
a
do.
bird guy.
You got blood all over you, buddy. Come on. I don't know if you're gonna bite or what. You never catch a bird. Exactly. Exactly. I didn't walk. Stop touching the bird.
Yeah, I'm hitting him by his head.
Here, you.
Go in there. Fly away.
You can see this motherfucker bit me hard. Sure did.
Mr. Pancake, you're under arrest.
Don't move.
Get on your belly. Get on your fucking belly. Do it now.
On your belly. On your belly.
Roll. Get on your belly, Mr. Pancake.
Flowers! Literally, like, whole ass, like, carnations just flew out of the back of his jacket. Yo, he's had a wild night. His name's probably Kyle. Kyle Pancakes? Yo, that would be a crazy name.
Is it glass?
Glass.
They're cutting his pants off.
There's a dog collar. Let's see.
The hell am I under arrest for? Seriously.
B&E.
Theft.
Criminal damaging.
Oh God, there is
Abusing
a
animals. Oh, there are gerbils in there. Yeah, definitely animal abuse.
What the heck? What the heck?
Multiple gerbils.
Multiple gerbils recovered.
We
gotta.
multiple gerbils in his pants.
Okay, just one of them.
The way they're just having a blast with that.
Please don't tell me you put a gerbil somewhere else.
Grab my shoes.
For your safety, is there a gerbil inside you?
Grab my shoes and cut further up that pant leg. And probably this one because there's.
I wish he would stop waving the hamsters around.
It's not a rat, it's a gerbil.
Breaking and entering.
We've told you multiple
I
times.
wish he would stop waving them around. Ah!
This is the greatest.
This is some cracktivity. Got a rope wrapped around his neck?
What do you think he's doing?
What is that
Who drove
for?
that one? Was that you guys?
We came around.
Because you're right by him.
Well, these people were like shining a light.
Have you touched anything?
I was like, no.
Would you do me a favor and put my glasses back
We looked at this.
4 eyes here, thank you.
Four eyes over here.
Yeah, just
Push bumper until.
push bumper's fine.
Oh, glasses wearers.
You got him.
Hey, that's all valid as anything. There's your PC for PetSmart, and the fucking gerbils in his pants. For what?
What the hell's that guy thinking about? His face just went
Lord. Is it just
blank.
his wrist?
GIMP? Gerbils in my pants. Yeah, the fact that he went to sleep, he went right to sleep right afterwards. Like, he was on the high of something and he crashed real hard. He crashed. He passed out with gerbils in his pants.